Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys liked my last video. If you haven't already, go check it out. So yeah, we're just gonna be going over a quick trading recap that we did yesterday or at midnight. So we took around 3 trades. I just added Euro USD. Probably gonna stop trading it. I'm just gonna stick to 2 pairs rather than 3. But yeah, so here's our okay, this wasn't our trade. This was just, actually, yeah, we did trade this. So we entered here, and then this we entered very little amount. So we ended up making around like $40 off this trade. So pretty decent trade. Almost hit our stop loss, but yeah, pretty good trade. So then going into our second trade on GU, this one pissed me off, but we came down. I was waiting for a price to come back up and take out these 2 imbalances here. We ended up taking out that, and then we ended up taking out this. I think I ended up entering on I entered on the first imbalance getting taken out, the fair value gap, and then I entered right here with a risk to reward of 1 to 4.5. It was a pretty tight stop loss. And yeah, we ended up coming down here. Should have cashed out here or took in a lot of partials. We did take some partials, but we ended up coming up with these 2 big green candles, these bullish candles. Sorry guys if my voice is a little bit off. I think I'm getting sick because I don't know, it's just been like raining and freezing and like no sleep. And then we put our stop loss way too tight. We should have put it a little bit higher off of this spot right here. And yeah, we ended up hitting our stop loss, and then I didn't re-enter to target my where I thought price was initially going, because I knew we wanted to take out this this like high right here, and then we also had this imbalance, and we weren't having a reaction off of that, like just dipping in and going up. So that was my target. And then yeah, price ended up coming down. It would have hit our TP, but we ended up losing a decent amount of money on that trade. Then moving on, we didn't take any trades on GJ, but yeah, I fell asleep last night. I was trying to stay up, waiting for this move up. Ended up happening. We had our TP right at this exact spot, a little underneath the draw on liquidity, but yeah, we didn't take any trades on GJ. Would have been a good setup though, but it's all good. Okay, so this is my yeah. So we took another trade. So 3 trades in total yesterday. It was a winning and losing day, but we ended off with a losing day. So third trade, I guess. Yeah, so I just knew price wanted to take out at least this like high, and then also maybe this, but I didn't draw line. Yeah, but I think we might have had a line, I don't know, but this was our main TP, as you can see here. We had a pretty strong, I don't know, I believe that price was going to go down. Kind of forced my bias on the market. We entered here after we retraced and went up, filled in the imbalance here, sell orders, and then we ended up coming down. Yeah, we took a lot of partials here, but that wasn't really enough. We didn't take enough, which we should have. We were up on the day like $80, and then we ended up coming up and then hitting our stop loss. We targeted this liquidity right here, swept that, came down, went where I knew price was gonna go. So basically all the trades that I took, I just had poor entries. I didn't let price develop. With all my other trades, I've been winning. I think this was my biggest loss by far. We lost, so yeah, just reward 1. Okay, so going on to account metrics, my win rate's 65%, dropped 2% after that losing day. yeah, so yesterday, or I guess at midnight, we ended up losing $109 total on the day. Um, yeah, so that was like our biggest loss yet, which, it is what it is. Man, my voice sucks today. All right. Yeah, I mean, lost the money. I think we're at 670 to 10,670. So we lost quite a bit. But yeah, basically all the trades is just I knew where price was heading and I knew where price wanted to go, and both times, actually every single one got validated. This one got validated and would have hit our TP, but we didn't even enter on that. This one came up, swept this liquidity, came down, would have hit our TP. This one came up. This was just a poor entry in general, but we ended up, like I said, we ended up going to our draws on liquidity, our main one that we had planned out, which would have been this one right here, following this one, but we didn't. Yeah, we didn't really sweep that, but that was our main one. It ended up happening. It just, I think all the trades, it was just entry, and also just, yeah. But today, yeah, what I'm initially looking at here, this swept that, might continue lower, 30-minute. Yeah, we'll see though. We might trade today, we might not. We're still up on the week, like almost $300, I believe. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I gotta go to school in like 5 minutes, so hope you guys have a good one. Peace.